How to add a new editor on WordPress. It is important to understand that an editor can view, edit, publish, and delete any posts or pages, moderate comments, manage categories, manage tags, manage links, and upload files or images. So, please be careful if you give this access to somebody. So, first of all, open your browser and enter into your WordPress administration panel. Write your domain /wp-admin. Write your username and password, and then log in. Now, go with the mouse over Users and click on Add New. The only three required inputs are username, email, and role, but we can add all other info. On the password, you can write a custom password or generate a new one. An important checkbox is Send User Notification. If you leave this unchecked, the user will receive an email that a new user is ready. Now, to add a new editor on the WordPress site, you need to click on Role and select Editor. Now click on Add New User. You have added a new editor user on your WordPress site. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.